Bathed in the golden light of sunrise, these healthy Indian elephants begin their day grazing on the lush, dew-covered grass.
Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy the video. Watch it till the end. At the farm, workers feed the elephant by giving it leaves to eat. Now workers carefully load the elephant onto the truck for transport.
Keep moving, easy now. Watch your step there, gently up.
The truck leaves the farm and heads toward the factory, carrying the elephant safely. The truck arrives at the factory, ready for unloading. Workers carefully unload the elephant from the truck at the factory. At the factory, the elephant is given food to eat. In the factory hall, the elephant undergoes a health check by the workers. Now the elephant is washed in the factory's washing area.
All right, let's feed this one in. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good, let's close it up. Initiating process now.
Look at this texture. I've never seen anything like this synthetic leather before. The elephant wrinkles are so detailed. It's definitely coming home with me. This bag is so soft and that serves as great while an eggshell Louise.
Look at that texture. It's synthetic, but it looks incredibly real.
Yeah, the wrinkling is impressive. I wonder how it holds up.
The quality on these is amazing.
Yeah, I really like the wrinkles on this duffel bag.